So guys, we just made it to the Taj Chandigarh over here, and I want to show you this amazing Land Rover, Range Rover and Jaguar showroom. And this new car just released, the Land Rover Defender. Like the interior, the wheels, the full car looks just amazing. It's so sleek, the seat front of the car over here, and it's, oh my god, I'm in love with this car. I hope someday I can buy a Range Rover or a Land Rover car, or in a or even a Jaguar would do, but someday soon, definitely. So guys, we just saw the Defender right there, but for my comfort and my size, I even love this car. This is the new Range Rover Evoque, and I had done a test drive of Range Rover Discovery Sport a couple of years back, and I'm in love with this brand. And it's really sporty, and the cars are really nice, and the interior is just amazing. So after some years, maybe let's see, I could buy a car, maybe Range Rover or a Jaguar. So yeah guys, so guys, we just arrived at the Taj Chandigarh, and as it was my mom's that 25th anniversary, we took this small but really sweet suite. And you can see the office space, small office space here, a small living room kind, and a small TV over here. This is the open bedroom right here, and I've not seen the view outside, but the best part is right here. This is the washroom, and I love a hotel room where you get a tub and I can just sit here for hours and hours with my phone and just chill. And this is the luggage room and the locker over here. And here I'm about to show you the view outside. I'm not sure how it is, but it's a road side view, and you can see the full town of Chandigarh. And that's the place, the Range Rover Land Rover showroom that I just showed you. It's a really nice property guys, and it's gonna be just for one day, so it's gonna be fun. And here's my mom, and the luggage is here guys. So guys, this is the reception to the hotel, and here is the wellness and fitness spa on the top, and here is the sitting area of the reception, and you can see a beautiful fountain behind me. And when I first came in, I thought it was a pool, but no, it is actually a fountain over here. You can see small fountains, and that's the restaurant over there. Yesterday we had an amazing food at the Golden Lotus, Black Lotus, and the food was just outstanding. It was a Chinese restaurant, and you can see the full property over here. The sitting area here. So guys, we have come here to sector 17, and it's an amazing shopping street over here, and it's really happening. So we came here because the driver was like, if you want to shop, this is really nice. And this is my kind of shopping: Nike, Adidas, and you can see these Benettons. And because of 26th January, there are amazing lights. You can see these amazing lights behind me. So I'm just about to visit Nike, so I can buy some track pants and some shoes, and looks like an outlet, so the clothes might be cheap as well. And you can see the full market is full over here because there are so many cars over here. There are restaurants behind. There's all kinds of South Indian, Indian, Chinese, every continental restaurants ahead there. So let's go guys. So guys, you can see there's a Republic Day celebration here, some music there, and this amazing Sector 17. I love Sector 17 symbol over here. And you can see my dad and me and mom have shopped a lot. So it's a very fun trip so far, and the best part is coming tomorrow, where I go to the Wildflower, and it's going to be an amazing hotel. And it was actually my dream hotel, and I'm going there, so it's going to be very much fun. And this is the most amazing walk which leads you to your rooms, and you can see it's a very long walk, and you can see beautiful trees over here, some amazing paintings over here. There's a smoking lounge which is no use to me, and you can see the sun is shining so brightly. I love these artifacts, the paintings, the sculptures over there. They look really, really nice. And I think this is one of my favorite paintings. I was walking here yesterday and I just loved this one. Hey everyone, it's our last day at the Taj Chandigarh over here, and we are now moving to Wildflower Resort Shimla, and it's one of the most beautiful resorts in the world, and it was one of my dream resorts, and I'm going there, which is a very very special thing to me. So let's go, guys. So guys, behind me you can see the parking over here, and this is the drop off to the hotel, and you can see the beautiful hotel behind me. And over there you can see the Range Rover Land Rover showroom which I was showing you yesterday, and I'm about to leave this hotel right now, so goodbye guys. So guys, that was the vlog. If you like the vlog, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Travel Brat Vlogs, and as I always say, I'm going to keep posting new content, so stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for your support.